Hey there, Winter Wonderland wizards. Today, we're turning your home into a tech-powered winter paradise with 6 incredible DIY projects. Let's dive in. First up, we're creating magical LED snowflakes for your windows. Materials: cardstock or acrylic sheets, LED strips, microcontroller like Arduino, scissors or a laser cutter. Steps: cut snowflake shapes from cardstock or acrylic. Attach LED strips along the edges, connect LEDs to the microcontroller, program twinkling effects, hang them in your windows for a dazzling display. Pro tip: use a stencil for perfectly symmetrical snowflakes. Next, we're building a snow globe that responds to touch and sound. Materials: clear plastic container, faux snow and winter figurines, touch or sound sensor, LED lights, microcontroller, small speaker. Steps: fill the container with faux snow and figurines. Install the touch or sound sensor and LED. Connect all components to the microcontroller. Program winter sounds and light effects. Seal the container. Winter magic. Tip: try different sounds for various touch patterns. Let's create a thermometer that changes color with temperature. Materials: digital thermometer module, Arduino, RGB LED, pine cones and twigs, small display case. Steps: connect the thermometer to the Arduino. Program color changes for different temperature ranges. Decorate the case with pine cones and twigs. Install the components in the case. Mount your natural tech thermometer. Nature tech hack: add a humidity sensor for more environmental data. Time for a high-tech winter treasure hunt. You'll need a smartphone with a QR reader, printed QR codes, laminating sheets, and some winter objects like pine cones and leaves. First, create QR codes linking to interesting winter facts. Print and laminate these codes to make them durable. Attach them to natural objects in your yard. Next, create a scavenger hunt list to guide the adventure. Let the winter exploration begin. For an educational bonus, include questions about local wildlife for some extra learning. Let's build a winter wonderland that comes to life. Gather your materials: cotton balls, paper trees, figurines, motion sensors, LEDs, small speakers, a microcontroller, and a cardboard base. Start by creating your winter scene on the cardboard base. Install motion sensors around the display, connect the LEDs and speakers to the microcontroller, program different responses for proximity. Now, watch your scene come alive. For added engagement, you can add a snowfall effect using string lights. Finally, let's build a snowman that moves and grooves. You'll need white balloons or fabric, small motors and wheels, touch sensors, a microcontroller, and a speaker. Construct the snowman body using the balloons or fabric. Install the motors and wheels for movement. Add touch sensors and connect everything to the microcontroller. Program responses like singing or moving. Bring your robotic snowman to life. For a fun idea, program different personalities for your snowman. There you have it, 6 amazing winter tech projects. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below.